Hi everyone, I'm Kevin Irwin, Senior Director of Product Management at Gluware, and today I want to show you how Gluware Co-Pilot can eliminate one of the biggest bottlenecks in network automation, extending your data models. Here's a scenario every network automation team faces. Your business needs evolve. You need to track new information about your devices, maybe circuit IDs, contract information, site contacts, but building and extending custom data models is a serious pain point. Traditionally, this requires development skills. You need to understand the entire data model, predict downstream impacts, write the code, test it, deploy it, and as your needs grow, scaling these customizations becomes increasingly difficult. It's the kind of task that ends up in a backlog for months. With Gluware Co-Pilot, we're changing that equation entirely. In this demo, you're going to see something remarkable. We'll use natural language to create custom device properties in Gluware's data model, generate a complete data structure for circuit information, deploy that new data model directly to the Gluware platform, and show you how this scales as your infrastructure and requirements evolve. No Python scripting, no deep data model expertise required. Just describe what you need and Co-Pilot builds it. Let's dive in. As your sources of truth evolve, whether it's Netbox adding new circuit fields or ServiceNow introducing additional service details, Gluware scales right alongside them. Let's demonstrate this by looking at a device in Gluware. We can see the standard properties, but notice there's no circuit information. We need to enrich this with extended device properties for circuit ID, contract ID, and site contact information. Instead of manually building a data model, I'm simply going to ask the Gluware Co-Pilot to create it for me. I'll describe what I need in plain English. I'm going to ask, how do I add additional fields in Device Manager? I'd like to add 3 fields, circuit ID, contract ID, and site contact. Okay. Now what's happening under the scenes here is that the Gluware Co-Pilot is creating what's called a J-type. A J-type is Gluware's data modeling format. This is the data structure that will be used to add these custom fields to our devices. It will give us some additional recommendations, but what we'll do is we'll just simply go back up to the top and we will copy this J-type for use in the Gluware IDE. All right, now I'll switch over to the Gluware IDE. And we will start here by running the wizard. The IDE has a wizard for creating new J-type packages. So what I'll do is I will give this a data model name, cert contracts.edp, and then the display name. Okay, I hit next. And what we'll do is we'll take what we copied from the Gluware Co-Pilot and paste it into the first pane here. What that does is it renders the form in the second pane. We can test out our data by inputting some of the values, and it shows that it works. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm publishing this J-type package to Gluware's distribution center. This makes it available across the entire platform for any of the users that are a part of your organization. Okay, now what we'll do is we will close this window and navigate to the distribution center. We'll preview the package, install it. It's loaded successfully. Now we can see what was created, circuit contracts.edp. We'll go into our device and we'll scroll back through the device details and we will find we have a new section with the data enrichment for our circuit data. And just like that, we've extended Gluware's data model with custom properties, something that traditionally would have required a developer, a deep understanding of the entire data architecture, and hours of careful work to avoid breaking anything. We did it through a conversation. To learn more, come visit us at gluware.com. Thank you.